First of all, excuse the tan lines on my face from wearing a mask. There's a lot for us to discuss that's going on at Six Flags Whitewater. Like what rides are open, what rides are closed, because there are quite a few. What are their new procedures? What new things have they been implementing? And what is up with Python Plunge? Whew, there's a lot to discuss. With that being said, let me explain. Hey guys, Miguel the annual Passholder here, back with the brand new video here today. So first things first, upon scheduling a trip to go to Six Flags Whitewater, you'll need a reservation just like you will at the dry park. So in order to do that, you'll need to go to sixflags.com/reserve and then click Six Flags Whitewater to book a day for the day and time you would like to attend. If you would like to learn more about the reservation system to do this, you can check this video out right here. It'll help you out with making a reservation. So next, moving on with the news. Six Flags Whitewater is now cashless. They are now offering an all-new cash-free experience, with them offering completely cash-free transactions. They'll be accepting digital payments only, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, along with Apple Pay with this. Six Flags Whitewater will also be doing mobile food ordering, just like the regular dry parks at Six Flags. So in order to do this, you'll need to sign into the Six Flags Wi-Fi. Head to the mobile app on your phone. Make sure you choose the right park, which is Six Flags Whitewater. Then click the restaurant of your choosing. With the cashless experience and the mobile food ordering, this is Six Flags' effort to initiate all new contactless measures to benefit a better, safer, and quicker, more convenient experience. So you may ask, if I have cash, can I convert it onto a card? If so, then how? The answer is yes. You'll be able to convert cash to credit card by going to a cash to card station located throughout the parks. No fees required at all and can be used worldwide, even outside of the parks. Guests are required to know 6 things before going to Six Flags Whitewater. And those are making reservations online. Their temperature will need to be checked with the all-new thermal temperature scanner. There will be contactless bag checks. Mobile food ordering will be happening at the parks now. Guests must wear masks when they enter the park and walking around the water park, but they are not required to wear masks in the water or lounging with their party. But if they're lounging around other people that are not in your party, then masks are required. And also, of course, masks are not required when you are drinking or eating. And lastly, there will be a lower attendance at the water park. There will be several mask-free zones located around the park. They request that you limit your time there to only 10 minutes in a mask-free break zone. Since there's social distancing, there's a capacity in the zones as well, so 10 minutes they say it won't be too crowded and others can enter, relax in the mask-free zone. So at Whitewater, the park is promoting 6 feet separation in all queues for dining, restrooms, and rides. There's also 6 feet separation in seating areas, so there will be a distance between guests. Seating will be removed or blocked. Have a clear 6 feet gap between guests, so there will be limited seating at this point. Guests will be separated on all rides and attractions. So to do this, there will be empty seats between guests and ride vehicles. Also at times, empty rows as well. There will be clear markers in the park to promote social distancing, along with 6 foot separation between guests and changing areas, changing rooms, and the showering area. And lastly, for this part of the segment, there will be hand washing stations and hand sanitizer will be located all around the park. So, on to the meat and potatoes of this video, the bulk of this video that everyone is here for, and that is the rides. In this part of the segment, this is the list of rides that are open and closed that you'll need to know before going to the park. So to begin first, we'll begin with the rides that are closed. Runaway River is closed, Dive Bomber, Lizard's Tail, 2 out of 3 of the Body Flumes, Black River Falls, Golf Screamer, Bermuda Triangle, Bahama Bobsled, Caribbean Plunge, Tidal Wave, Little Hooch, the Lazy River, and last but not least, Captain Kidd's Cove and Skull Island. I know that's a lot, but here are the list of the open rides that you can expect to ride and enjoy when you do visit the park. First being Tornado, Typhoon Twister, Wahoo Racers, Mutiny Chute, one of the Body Flumes, Activity Pool, Dragon's Tail, Buccaneer Bay, Lily Pad Crossing, and the Atlanta Ocean. From what it appears, the wave pool during the 2020 season is just a regular pool now, or won't be producing the usual major waves. So all may have noticed that tons of restaurants are not open, and the freestyle machines are not around, mainly due to a limited amount of staffing. Ensure that everything runs smooth with a limited number of guests. It's different from Six Flags Over Georgia, which is bigger. Therefore, they're running with a select number of restaurants that are open, makes it fit for the limited amount of guests. Lastly, what is up with Python Plunge? Python Plunge, expected to open for the 2020 season, is expected to be located where the rapids were, now going to be delayed till 2021 due to the global pandemic putting a massive hold on the new project that is expected to be a high-thrilling water coaster. It being delayed, this will enable the activity pool to remain open during the 2020 season, ensure that there is somewhat for things to do for the little adventurers. With the delay in construction and trying to get the park open with a limited time frame, Whitewater has now shifted their focus on to getting the park open and ready for us all, now that they're back open. Ensure that guests have a fun, thrilling, safe place to enjoy a water park this summer. And to escape the heat while having fun. Cool off from having crazy tan lines like this on your face from wearing a mask. Therefore, the new water coaster Python Plunge will debut in 2021, which I'm still super excited for. That being said, what are your thoughts on all the new procedures that are going on at Six Flags Whitewater? You bummed about your favorite ride being closed? So how sad are you that Python Plunge seems to be that it's going to be delayed till 2021? What are your thoughts on Six Flags Whitewater going cashless? Let me know your thoughts and share them with me in the comment section down below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much. Till my next video, have a good one. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.